Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode, I think it's 94. Like, I am 6 away from hitting that 100 episode mark this year. And that'll only leave me 266 left to go. And I can tell you this is my final year for doing a daily vlog. This year's been tough. Last year was like my first year, but it was just newer and easier, and I was more motivated to do it. And we got some people walking by doing their daily routines like I just got done doing. Anywho, it's time for coffee. Today's a big meeting day with a bunch of our sponsors, and just laying out the course for the next few months since we'll be on the road. Can't wait to tell you guys all about it. I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow, but here really soon we'll get to announce what all we got planned and what's going on. Until then, we'll see you guys here in a few. All right, guys, it is now evening. What a crazy busy day. Mama Badger had all those meetings I told you about, and today's video is going to be all about you. So I have questions I need answers to. So since you guys watch this stuff all the time and you're out at rallies and all, I figured that you guys would be my best source for answers to this. So the very first question we have is, what is your favorite swag? Like, when you go to events and all and they give out swag, I got some really cool swag this summer I'm going to share with you. But I mean, what's your favorite, right? You of course got the trusty old poker chip, right? Key rings, challenge coins. Got another cool challenge coin here, just for Toby Northern. Anyway, pins, carabiners that are Bell's Rides, patches. I know a lot of people collect patches. Stickers, that's something really a lot of people give out. One of my favorites, shop towels. I like shop towels. I also like microfiber towels. Either one of those I like carrying on my bike, and those are like a win-win for me. Then you got cups, Biker Bells again. This also came from the Biker Bells ride, but it was donated by Hurley. This is a tool pouch. Really nice tool pouch. Look at that. How cool is that? In conjunction with Carhartt and Harley Davidson. But what about you guys? What do you guys like to have in swag? Oh, one of Mama Badger's favorites, chapstick. I would say my top 3 favorite swags are going to be shop towels. I also like the chapstick. If you ride a lot, chapstick is awesome because your lips get really, really torn up. And then I would say beyond that, like I like seeing the different stickers from people. And I collect poker chips, as you guys know, so that's always nice to put up in my chandelier. But how about you guys? Let us know. This is really important to us because we get asked all the time, what kind of swag should I give? What should I give away? What is useful? Of course, the other major things that people give away, right, are, I call them hockey pucks, but they're the pucks that go underneath your kickstand, right? So your kickstand pucks, those are pretty popular. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what your top 3 swag things are, especially if there's something that I didn't mention here. We want your suggestions. Is it hats, t-shirts? I mean, there's all these different things that get given away at events, and I want to know what your favorites are. Another really cool one that I've seen before are battery banks. These little chargers that charge up your phone. It's another really cool idea of swag you can give away that is useful. The one thing I look for in my swag is for it to be something useful. Harley Davidson was giving away flashlights, headlamps at their booth in Daytona. I thought, man, that could be pretty handy if you're alongside the road and you need to see. You can slap that on your head and you still have both hands. So looking for stuff that is useful like that, that would be great giveaways. All right. Now, after you've answered that question, I have another question for you. This was the swag stuff came later. This is what I've been thinking about all day. So this is going to sound weird. Why do you guys come back here every day and watch me? Now let me go a little deeper with that. What do you guys like to watch on YouTube? Like, I have found my tastes have changed. I'm looking for like a substance. I don't care about the pretty view with the drone footage and the music, and I'm looking for whoever's riding that ride to talk about that ride, or to show me something personal, or to interact with me. And that's why I do the videos I do, especially when I'm traveling. I try to take you along from morning, noon, night, and make you immersed in the event, in the ride, whatever it is we're doing, because that is personally what I like to watch. So what do you guys like to watch? What do you look for in a video? Are you looking to learn? Are you just looking to be entertained? Are you looking for artsy, scenic type stuff? What is it that floats your boat? What is it that you like to watch, you enjoy watching? Is it people? I find that's probably the number one thing for me. I find creators that I am drawn to as a person. I like to hear them talk. I like to hear them explain. I just kind of like their personality. Those seem to resonate higher with me than somebody that doesn't talk much, that is more artistic. Nothing wrong with any of the above. I'm just telling you what my personal preference is, and I want to know what your personal preference is. What do you guys like to see? Do you like to be immersed in the entire day? Do you like to just see a 8-minute clip of a ride? What is it that you guys really enjoy? That's it, guys. Today's video is all about you, but not about you, more about me. Does that make sense? I want your feedback. Give me your thoughts, your opinions. Help me out. Help me understand more better. Is that a word, more better? Help me understand more better what you guys want, what you guys like, what you guys need, and that'll just make everything I do better. All the swag that I tell people they need to give out, that'll make that better, so you guys get better stuff. Who doesn't want better stuff? So if you tell people what you want, then they can get you that stuff instead of them just guessing and getting it all wrong. Anyhow, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your participation. Comment below. The more comments we get, the more data we have, the more feedback, and the better we can serve you. And we will see you tomorrow.